the meat, finally we jumped for Beyond Meat 40% and again 20% and almost tested our resistance that we discussed on our YouTube video, and of course we discussed it on our Discord so many times before even this breakout, because we did the short for a warning sign for the resistant around the pre-market. Before even we tested the $1.58, we were around the 136 and we warned our hunter to take profit around just the $1.58. We went until the 155 and we pulled back right there. So before we go further, guys, remember we always do our update on our Discord and Patreon before the market open. The link in the description below. And remember, our content always for educational purposes only, and we're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. So Beyond Meat, as we discussed before, $1.58, or let's say the $1.55 was the current resistance where the short seller added their position. That's why the pull back happened, and that's why we are 12% down. The good thing is we have to discuss the good thing and the bad thing. The good thing is we're still holding over the $1.07 psychological level. And as everybody knows, if the stock traded below the $1 for a few months, they might get delisted. For Beyond Meat, we traded below the $1 for days and months, and they get even a notice from the Nasdaq to bring the price over the $1, and everybody talking about the delisting, and they're talking about the reverse split, and everybody knows the reverse split is kind of not good for investors because it means a dilution. However, this is not the case anymore because right now we are over the $1, and this time we held over the $1, not like before. Once we tested the $1, we went really down very quick. Exactly here, guys. We just tested the 104 and we flashed down in few minutes. Right now, we held pre-market after hours yesterday and today in the market open. This is a good indication that this time is not like the last time once the price pulled back right away. So now we want to confirm. Are we going to have another jump up? Are we going to have the $2? Are we going to have a $4? Many question from you guys in the comment section. We're going to answer all the questions right now. First of all, as we said, we got this channel. If you didn't see our update, because we discuss Beyond Meat daily and weekly on our YouTube channel, once we were here, we said, once we break this channel, we're going to have the squeeze. We said the first time we didn't because we didn't break this channel. The second time in March, we didn't break it because we didn't break this channel. And this time in April, we broke it. So we said, this is the warning sign for a squeeze. And hopefully you saw our update, because if you did, look at this huge jump that we did before this jump, 70% or almost 100% from this jump on the channel. So now where are we gonna go? First of all, we have to break the 155. From $1.55, we might have another jump of almost 40% around this level, the $2.22. And after that, if we continue this jump without any rejection, we expect another 100% around the $3.37. So two levels that we might test, not the 4, but the 2 and around the 3. So two levels. Right now is around the $1.55. So it's good. From $1 to $2, from $2 to $3. So increment increasing in the price. This is what we want to see. We don't want to see $10 then flushing it to $5. This is not realistic and not healthy price action movement. For now, we need to hold just the 107, break the $1.55 and go toward the $2.23 and the $3.37. This is by far the plausible scenario for Beyond Meat. The other question we got, when this happened. This is not depends on you, not on us. This is depend on the market, depend on the news, depends on the right buyers and the right seller come at the right place. What we should know or what we should care about is the two levels that we are currently trading between, around the $1.55 and the $1.07. And of course, we're going to discuss where the price will go, and of course, warn you minute by minute, second by second on our Discord. The link description below, as we discuss below, guys, where we discuss every day the market before the market open. And after that, we discuss it here on YouTube. So hit the like and subscribe in order to be notified once we go live, which is daily live streaming, as we discuss it today for Beyond Meat.